Um, so today I'm going to be showing you how to put some fix-a-flat in your tire. If your tire is leaking, it can go in mini bike tires, truck tires, bike tires. So what you want to do is first, like when you get the can, you're going to want to shake it real good for a little bit. And then after you do that, you'll connect it to the tire and make sure it's like a little flat, like where it's still got air in it, but it's pushable. And then when you have the hose connected, which is the hard part because it's kind of hard to get on there, make sure it's screwed in enough where it's not letting any more air out. It's fine if it's letting a little out, but just make sure it's not letting a whole lot out. And then after you do that, you'll pop up this little safety tab right here, and then you want to make sure that the valve stem is facing the bottom. So quickly here, I will move my tire a little bit. That's good enough, I think. I don't know if y'all can see that. Now that it's kind of, near the bottom, you're gonna press down on the tab, and it's gonna be letting it's gonna be coming out, and it's gonna be filling it up. So just pump it for like a few seconds until it's airing your tire up a lot. So just pump it and pump it, and you have to pump it for a little bit. Even though it's gonna sound like it's not coming out, it's still kind of airing up. It might leak out a little bit of the stem part. That's fine. But now that you've got you got a good coat going, I think that would be good for that'd be good enough. So okay, sorry about that. Now that it's when it stops pumping out, this means you put enough in it. So after it's it doesn't pump anymore, even though you're pressing the button, that means your tire is full. So now for the hard part, kind of, is trying to get this off. Let me scoot my bike up a little bit so it's okay. So now the hard part is trying to twist it off. I might have to get some pliers maybe. Okay, so I got some needle nose pliers so that it's easier to get it. And you're just gonna twist it off. I think that's good enough now. Yep. It's gonna let a little air out when you're twisting it, but that's perfectly fine. Okay. Now, that's fine now. So now that you've put the fix-a-flat inside your tire, it'll still be, you know, a little flat, but now I'm just gonna air it up with an air pump if you have one. So I will be back after I do that. So now that you've put air in your tire and it's like aired up enough to ride it, you're gonna want to ride it around for, you know, about a mile or two. That way that the fix-a-flat can work its way through the tire. Don't forget your air cap for your tire. But anyway, now that you've, you know, put it in your tire, you're going to want to ride it for 2 miles. So I'm going to get to that now.